Howdy there, y'all. Yamasaki here, and welcome back to Yamasaki RC. And we are going to be looking at today a 1960s to early 70s Ford Garden Tractor Series snowplow. I just got done restoring this thing today, put it all back together. I've been painting it over the last couple of days. It's one of the implements that I got with my Ford 100 that my dad got years and years ago. And this plow had been on it for years and years out in the backyard. And I restored the Ford 100 and put this thing in the shed for years. And then my dad got me a Ford 120. And I figured I'm going to get that bugger going again this summer. And I'm going to make it the dedicated plow tractor, because I did get a pair of snow chains with my Ford 120, or not my 120, but my 100 when I was restoring it back in the day. And I have them around here somewhere. But I'm going to slap this guy on the 120. It's in really good shape. Painted it Ford blue with some spray paint. You know, this is all spray paint. It's not professional by any means, but it turned out really good, I think. Has a little orange piece right here for your angle tensioner that moves back. Mostly original hardware on this bad boy. These carriage bolts are original. They're bent, as you can see. You can probably see right there. It's bent. And it also is worn down where it's been touching this big bar right here. Those are original bolt and bushing here. Original spring. The actual angle tensioner was held on by a nail, so I replaced that with a bolt, and then an original bolt down there with a bushing, because that's where it rotates and where its main strength is for connecting itself to the frame here. And this is where you would attach it to the actual tractor. It's kind of bent, but it was like that when it was on the tractor, and I can't really bend that back. So, you know, if it works, it works. It's an implement. And I'm not sure if my theory is correct on this, but if any of you guys know, feel free to comment down below. But this mounts to the front of the old Fords, and there's a lot of holes here, so my guess would be is they also used this bracket piece right here when you would mount the snowblower. But I could be wrong. That's why I said comment down below if anybody knows anything on that. This is your bar that goes back to your handle that you pull, and I could not get this loose for the life of me, this bolt here. So I just left it, you know. If it comes loose someday and falls out or breaks, I'll just replace it. It's got all new hardware on the front here. I think this might be a skid plate. I'm not sure, just an extra layer on the bottom here. You can see it's fairly rolled over. I didn't grind any of that away. I figured if I did, it's just going to roll back over and indent it even more. And, you know, as it is right now, it kind of makes a nice little, you know, skid for, you know, it to smoothly glide across the ground and everything. It's also got these corner pieces here that kind of give the plow just a little bit more of a wide area on each side. And I'll show you that. Just like that. I'm not sure how rare this implement is. I haven't really found any information on it, but it's a nice little unit. Came out really good. And I figured I'd show it with you guys, because I just, you know, I haven't seen much information on it, and so if this video helps somebody, it'd make my day for sure. But yeah, it turned out great. This thing's going to last forever. This is solid steel, and these were on the early garden tractors, on the early Fords and the early Jacobsons. Not the later models. Although I'm not sure if you could mount this on a later model or not. It is an actual Ford one. It doesn't have any nameplate, but you can just barely see right there. Being F right here. There's the O, there's the R, and there's the D. Can't find the decal. So I might put a little Ford script plaque right there or something like that. I'm not sure yet. But Wow. I'm just amazed at how nice this thing came out. It does have a little bit of some messed up iron on the corner here. It was bent down real far, so I bent it back the best I could, but you know, it's not bad. Not bad at all. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more content. And Yamasaki out. We'll see y'all later.